Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank you all for joining us here. It really makes me happy to see our family and friends, our key colleagues, and especially our esteemed guests for joining us today on this event today to celebrate a new beginning. So today's celebration, as you may know, is mainly focused on the tech arm, or the technologies arm of Aimtron, but I would like to shed light on the rest of the companies of Aimtron Group that make up Aimtron as a whole, right? So if you look to the chart over here, center of the chart, we have Aimtron Corporation. Aimtron Corporation is our flagship company. Aimtron Corporation serves as the headquarters for the rest of the Aimtron group of companies in PCB, manufacturing and assembly. To the right above that, we have Aimtron Technologies, which, as you know, is the main focus today. And Anita touched base on that in detail. It mainly is the technologies service provider, end-to-end technology service provider, right? And then we have to the top right, we have Aimtron Box Build, officially known as American Pinball. And this Aimtron facility is dedicated to electromechanical assembly. And it's primarily located in the US. To the top right, we have Aimtron Electronics, our mirror image of Aimtron Corporation, primarily located in Vadodara, Gujarat, and this is our flagship, mirror image of our flagship company, so it's a production facility. Bottom right, we have Aimtron Systems, which is our ITAR, our mission critical and medical division of the Aimtron group of companies. And finally, on the bottom left, we have Aimtron Foundation. Aimtron Foundation is our not-for-profit arm of the group of companies, and it's our education outreach to provide knowledge and that skill set to the youth that have that gap in education and have had that lack of access to education. So the main purpose that we're gathered here today is Aimtron Technologies, right? If we think about it, technology is not just a buzzword. For me, technology is mission critical, right? And this mainly comes to light in the medical, in the aerospace, and in the defense industries, which I mentioned before is especially vital for Aimtron Systems, the ITAR division. Technology is the difference between life and death. And with our continuous innovation in technology and with our dedication to help in the quality, to perfect the quality, Aimtron will definitely elevate the industry standards to the next level. And with that, before I'd like to hand it over to the next speaker, I would like to just highlight on Aimtron Systems. So Aimtron Systems is certified as WOSB, which stands for Women-Owned Small Business. And in that, I would like to shed light on women empowerment. Definitely, as a woman owner of Aimtron Systems, I have learned, and I continue to learn, what this role really truly means. India is truly the strongest when it comes to women empowerment, as it has 43% of its women experts in technology, in the technology industry, compared to the 34% in the USA. And these are just statistics, right, that anyone can pull up from Google, but really, women bring an additional level of excellence in the service fields. And I'm proud to say that Aimtron is well ahead of the curve when it comes to empowering women. So before I make this too long, I want to thank you all for joining us here today. And really thank you for being active supporters of our journey as Aimtron takes more and more steps in India to grow, to create employment, and to grow the industries. So thank you all once again.